running from something that is not even there. It's the tragic moment of despair. We run away from things that aren't anywhere. Just letting you know, it's your shadow that you fear, creating conflicts with people you don't know. Social media is nothing like home. Respect opinions and people's thoughts. Don't raise your position just to get lost.
If my life was a movie, I'm playing a role. Sometimes it feels like I ain't in control, but the whole world's stage and I'm the main character. Free to be me even as an actor.
My heart is pounding, it feels like 100,000. I look around and seeing houses, but where's my tower? I need my power. I don't wanna cower or feel devoured. So I stand up and lift, ignore the script and remind myself that I'm a biz.
Man, you got this and we need your voice. Forget the accolades, you're the people's choice. So click, 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 that's the sound of the cannon. We're shooting a movie, so lights, camera, action. Click, 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 that's the sound of the cannon. We're shooting a movie, so lights, camera, action.
Away from reality, that's how it's supposed to be. Fake it till you make it, even without a screen.
I've seen some changes, take away the screens from faces.
Finally we see that the season's changing. I breathe in deep cause I need some patience.
I believe in the dreams I'm tracing. Now I can see it will build relations.
For the first light we can feel the nation, cause happiness is still contagious.
Doesn't matter what your race is or what your ages are. We be gracing stages.
The drip I've got be taking me places, and it ain't cheap so we chasing papers. But we don't need coins, just make some changes.
Nah, so lay the red carpet. Our premiere has only just started.
Finger on the pulse, find where the heart is. The beat of the earth in the eye of the artist.
Away from reality, that's how it's supposed to be. Fake it till you make it, even without a screen.
Lights, camera, action.
What now?
We're having a practice.
To the stage now, I'd be a protagonist. My life is a movie.
Being a main character is pretty groovy. Life's not a dress rehearsal.
You're a commercial.
And when you speak, it heard you.
Just know that I'm here to serve you.
Let's go, ba.
It goes round in circles.
With my words I accept your rewards, but I don't rap for bananas. My mind be sharp like a sword, like a Japanese katana. I'm the people's choice, you will remember my voice. We need to rejoice, yeah. I don't spit for glory, I need space like Rick and Morty.
We're just kids, why can't you see it? I don't want to grow up to fit your image. We're just kids, why can't you see it? I don't want to grow up to fit your image. Away from reality, that's how it's supposed to be. Fake it till you make it, even without a screen.
Yeah, hey, I ain't never gonna fake it just to make it. I'm trying to be the greatest on the stages where I played it my mind. I'm root to Vegas, I'm blocking at the fakest to make my mind amazing. Only give this time, cause I'm sick of only taking in this time, man. I'm trying to make some changes, learn to see me as a brother instead of two distant strangers. But man, now Tupac's dead. How can we ever be like Pac if we don't do what he said? Hey.
Got the power, feeling like the best, no mess. We are 1,000 miles ahead. Don't underestimate the courage we collect, because we know we're the most prideful on the set.
Cameras tracking us for miles, trying to look inside, emphasize the styles, here to open up your mind. Witnessing our lives, watch for feet slip off the tiles. Study this for trials, I install this in your files.
We are leaders, so let's lead this crew. Get the chins and point it to the horizon. And let's see the amazing things they can do.